Have you ever felt like the weight of the world was holding you down, like you're pushing hard, but still, it's not enough? That feeling, right there, is your call to evolve, to step back, rebuild, and come back as a whole new person, stronger, sharper, ready for anything. This is what I call disappear weak, reappear strong. Each of us faces moments when we feel defeated, when our confidence crumbles, when we're tempted to give up. But what if I told you these very moments, the toughest ones, are where real transformation begins? It's where the weak parts of us fade away and our true strength starts to grow. Think of David Goggins. This is a man who grew up with pain, poverty, and hardship, yet he didn't let that define him. He took a step back, turned inward, and built himself up through intense training. He turned his struggles into fuel, pushing past all limits. When he came back, he wasn't just a Navy SEAL, he was unbreakable. That's what happens when you disappear weak and reappear strong. Then there's J.K. Rowling, a young mother on welfare with no clear path ahead. She was alone, surrounded by doubt, but instead of giving up, she retreated into her dream. She used that quiet time to pour her heart into writing. She stepped away from the world, and when she came back, she had created the Harry Potter universe. She didn't just write a story, she built a legacy. And Michael Jordan? He didn't even make his high school basketball team. Can you imagine that? Most people would have given up, but he didn't. Jordan took time to train, to rebuild, and he returned to become the best in the game. Every hour he spent practicing, every shot he made, he was leaving behind his weaknesses and reappearing stronger. That's how he became a legend. And Nelson Mandela, this man spent 27 years in prison. The world might have expected him to be broken, but he used that time to grow even stronger. In those years of isolation, he built a vision. He strengthened his purpose. And when he reappeared, he didn't just free himself, he inspired a nation. So, what's holding you back? Maybe it's time to step away, not to run from life, but to rebuild yourself, to go somewhere quiet, where you can push past your limits and find the strength inside. Disappear from the doubts, from the critics, from the distractions. Disappear so you can come back unstoppable. So, what's stopping you? What's that thing in your life that you think is too big, too heavy to conquer? Maybe it's time for you to disappear, not to escape, but to transform. Go somewhere where you can find yourself, where you can push your limits, strengthen your weaknesses, build that fire inside you. Disappear from the doubts, from the critics, from the excuses. Disappear to become unstoppable. Reappearing strong isn't just about being successful. It's about owning every struggle, every setback, every scar. So when you come back, you don't just exist, you dominate. You come back as someone who isn't afraid of the next challenge because you've already conquered the hardest one, yourself. So if you're feeling down, if you're feeling tired, if you're feeling weak, remember, this is your chance. Take the time to disappear. Focus on yourself. Break your own limits. And when you're ready, reappear. Not as who you were, but as who you were meant to be. This is your moment.